March 10th this year marks the 65th anniversary of the Tibetan People's Uprising against China's illegal occupation of Tibet in 1959. Today, Tibet remains an occupied territory under tight military surveillance. Since 2008, over 160 Tibetans have self-immolated to protest China's repressive policies. UN experts have raised alarms about the forced separation of 1 million Tibetan children from their families for assimilation into Chinese colonial boarding schools. Just recently, more than 1,000 Tibetans were arrested in one day in Derge County as there were unprecedented protests against the construction of a hydroelectric dam on the Trichu River by the Chinese government, which would force the displacement of thousands. This proposed dam would also cause significant environmental harm and destroy 6 monasteries, including submerging the Won Tod Monastery, founded in the 14th century and has one of the finest examples of Tibetan Buddhist murals and is of great historical and cultural significance. Even to see footage of these protests on social media is incredibly rare, as Tibet has consistently been ranked as one of the least free countries in the world by Freedom House, with little to no information making its way out. Tibetans inside Tibet have shown extraordinary courage. Language, culture, history, and identity is under threat in Tibet, but resistance is as strong as ever. I strongly condemn the brutal crackdown and urge the international community to call on China to free the protesters and halt the construction of the dam. Thank you.